Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Solarsoft 2. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Solarsoft 2 flip-flops, and this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the carbon green, white, bamboo, tumbled grey colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping open the box flap to reveal the content inside the Nike Solarsoft 2. Let's slide them out and set them on the tabletop. And just setting the box back down and to the side. So giving you a look at the pair of Nike Solarsoft 2 flip-flops in the carbon green, white, bamboo, tumbled grey colourway, and just setting the card hanger to the side and giving you a full and complete view of the pair of flip-flops. Now let's take a look at the left side and just shifting the items to the side so they don't interfere with the foreground as we look at the Nike Solarsoft 2 flip-flop, the left flip-flop, and giving you a look. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a nice and full view of this left flip-flop and its colorway in the carbon green, white, bamboo, tumbled grey. And taking a close-up look, we can see that there is a sticker right there saying "Squeeze Me" with the Nike Solarsoft branding, and just giving you a look right there as I squeeze down. So it does have a very soft and cushy feel to the foam Solarsoft design. Giving you a look right there. And let's take a look from the front to the back. You can see that there are horizontal grooves along the length of the sole of the flip-flop. And it does have the Nike swoosh at the heel area. I'm just giving you a look right there. And of course, the depth of the groove on the sole, so you have some idea of the upper surface design. And taking a look around the sides of the flip-flop, you can see that there are horizontal grooves along its midsole. And let's get the camcorder to focus back on the sides or midsole of the flip-flop. You can see that very long groove design around the entire length of the flip-flop. And we can see that there is an arch support on the inner arch side of the shoe or flip-flop. And taking a look at the bottom or outsole of the flip-flop, we can see that there are tread blocks in pairs across the entire length of the flip-flop. And to give you some idea of the depth as well, or thickness of those blocks, and let's do a flexibility and bend test to see the pliability of this flip-flop. And just bending it with my hands, you can see how it moves and flexes or twists with some force applied with my hands. It's right there giving you a look at the material and how it responds on this Nike Solarsoft 2. Of course, taking a close-up look at the foot strap, we can see that there is the Nike branding as well as the finely textured inner side of the foot strap or thong. And of course showing you the flexibility and design of the foot strap. And just giving you one more look in terms of the cushioning of the Solarsoft bottom or sole of the shoe or slipper or flip-flop, just squeezing the edges with my fingers. You can see how they compress and expand back up. And we can see that the heel area has a slightly thicker design. And just squeezing down once again, giving you a look at that Solarsoft cushioning for the sole. And now let's take a look at the right side and just shifting the left to the side and giving you a look once again at this Nike Solarsoft 2 in the carbon green, white, bamboo, tumbled grey colourway. And it details with its Nike tag label. And once again, taking some close-up looks and just running my finger along its surface. So it does have a very soft and smooth design and texture to its upper surface or cover. You can see as I run my fingertips along its surface and on the bottom as well, just giving you some sense of the very fine texturing across the entire surface of this flip-flop. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And from the front to the back. And of course, at the bottom, the outsoles. So that's the Nike Solarsoft 2. Thanks for watching and happy walking!